Hey guys, so we're making a bird feeder. If you don't know what it looks like, this is the finished product that we made it ourselves. So let's get into this. I have a toilet paper roll. I got peanut butter, and I got bird seeds. So let's get into this. Let's get the paper towel. Get some peanut butter. And let's rub it on, guys. Let's rub it on. Rub. Oh. This is the finished roll, and it's okay to get help from a grown-up. Okay, let's roll this into the bird seeds. Oh, I missed a spot. Okay. Okay, now it's ready, so let's add the string, guys. Hey guys, we're done the bead feeder. Look, we got 2 bead feeders. Let's put them down. And we're gonna feed this to the birds too. Bird seeds. Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna hang them up on the tree. So guys, let's go outside. We're gonna hang on the tree, guys, and yay, we're gonna feed the birds. Okay guys, so make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more video like this. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye guys.